Let's try to understand number system. Number system consists of variety of numbers such as real numbers, which are further divided into rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers again are further distributed into integers and fractions. Integers make way for negative integers as well as whole numbers. Whole numbers are the last lot being divided further into 0 as well as natural numbers. Now, let's try to understand the numbers one by one. First and the foremost, natural numbers. Natural numbers are the earliest form of numbers used by early man. We got these numbers from them. These numbers are denoted by capital N, and their value starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on till infinity. When we Indians created 0, we added it to natural numbers and together they formed whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers which are denoted by capital W and their value is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on till infinity. Now, as we say, whenever there is positivity, there is negativity as well. Where there are good children, there are bad children as well. Just like that, there are positive numbers as well as there are negative numbers denoted by negative integers. These numbers range between minus infinity to minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. All these are a part of integers family denoted by capital Z or capital I, and their values lie between minus infinity to infinity. Next we have fractions. Now fractions, they are further divided into two parts, proper fraction as well as improper fraction. Let's first discuss proper fraction. The fraction in which numerator is always smaller than denominator. For example, 3 upon 5, 2 upon 3 are all proper fractions. Improper fraction in which numerator is always greater than denominator. For example, 5 by 3, for example, 7 by 5 are all improper fractions. Next we come to a very important number called rational numbers. Numbers are represented in the form of A upon B, where A and B are co-prime integers and B is never equal to 0. Now let's try to understand what are co-prime integers. The numbers which have their common factor as 1 only. I repeat, the numbers which have their common factor as 1 only are called co-prime numbers. For example, 5 and 7 are co-prime numbers. Why? Because their common factor is only 1. These numbers are denoted by capital Q. Next in line are irrational numbers. The numbers which are neither terminating nor repeating are known as irrational numbers. Example, a number pi, root 2, root 3 are all examples of irrational numbers. Last but not the least, real numbers. These numbers are denoted by capital R. All our numbers studied fall under this category. Number line that we always use is known as basically real number line. That's all for today's lecture, everyone. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Thank you.